galani batte jifu qabi itanani gabani dinatti biya basu farda garmam se kase ababile negate danga kakayublate abbane galmalate ilmisena dagate imana abanyadu enyuma gonda gadu duwe tambada male biya kormaladu enyu tambaye bada sanyo barbada arkadi gana nyada alaba konga mada malanya dega pada malantai tabada dulu mahmuda tani ilmadachu yomi fi tuani singalani ilma kamna kanafi ajese adibatu fi bore abafatu iragara mate hada iratiyete inimalaku hade igatan borreyai rasasa wala kai kullu biya falmata waregame karubu siras duan walani wali jober matani arkan kenni kaburma amashan sirasba
Never stop. Oromo struggle. For freedom. Justice. And freedom. For Oromo. Respect. Human right. In Oromia. Respect. Human right. In Oromia. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. We demand democracy. We demand peace. We demand justice. We demand democracy. We demand freedom. TPLF. Stop killing, arresting, murdering Oromos. TPLF. Stop killing, arresting, murdering Oromos. Killing Oromos, arresting Oromos, murdering Oromos. Never stop. Oromo struggle for freedom. Oromo struggle for freedom. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. Bullet should not be answer for peaceful struggle. A bullet should not be answer for peaceful struggle. Stop evicting Oromo farmers from their land. Stop evicting Oromo farmers from their land. Oromo farmers have right on their land. Oromo farmers have right on their land. Stop massacre Oromos. Stop massacre Oromos. Stop massacre Oromos. TPLF. Stop terrorizing Oromos. TPLF. Stop terrorizing Oromos. Norway. Stop supporting the dictator regime in Ethiopia. Norway. Listen us. Norway. Listen us. Stop supporting the dictator regime in Ethiopia. Norway. Stop supporting the dictator regime in Ethiopia. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is for Oromos. Oromia is for Oromos. Stop evicting, displacing Oromo farmers from their land. Stop Land grabbing.
Land grabbing.
In Oromia.
In Oromia.
Stop.
Stop.
Land grabbing.
Land grabbing.
In Oromia.
In Oromia.
Stop.
Stop.
Land grabbing.
Land grabbing.
In Oromia.
In Oromia.
Norway.
Norway.
Stop.
Stop.
Supporting
Supporting
the dictator.
the dictator
Regime.
regime.
Norway.
Norway.
Stop.
Stop
Supporting
supporting
the dictator.
the dictator
Regime.
regime.
Killing Oromos.
Killing Oromos.
Arresting Oromos.
Arresting Oromos.
Murdering Oromos.
Murdering Oromos.
Never stop.
Never stop.
Demanding our right.
Demanding our right.
Demanding our right.
Demanding our right.
Killing Oromos.
Killing Oromos.
Arresting Oromos.
Arresting Oromos.
Torturing Oromos.
Torturing Oromos.
Never stop.
Never stop.
Oromo struggle.
Oromo
For
struggle
freedom.
for freedom. TPLF is
a killer.
a killer.
TPLF
Stop
killing
killing
innocent
innocent
Oromos.
Oromos.
Stop
Stop
terrorizing
terrorizing Oromo
students.
Stop
Stop killing Oromos.
Oromos. TPLF
TPLF
is
a dictator.
a dictator.
TPLF
TPLF is
a killer.
a killer.
TPLF
TPLF
is a Nazi.
a Nazi. Respect
Human rights
human
in
rights
Oromia.
in Oromia.
Respect
Respect
human rights
human rights
in Oromia.
in Oromia.
Killing Oromos
Killing Oromos
will never
will never
stop Oromo struggle.
Oromo struggle.
Killing Oromos
Oromos
will never
stop
Oromo struggle.
Oromo struggle.
TPLF is murderer.
A murderer.
TPLF is
TPLF is
a killer.
a killer.
Stop
killing
Oromo students.
Oromo students.
TPLF
is
a killer.
a killer.
Stop killing innocent Oromos.
Oromos.
Killing Oromos will never stop Oromos.
TPLF stop
terrorizing
Oromos.
TPLF is a killer. TPLF is a murderer. Free all Oromo political prisoners.
Oromo political prisoners.
Free all Oromia. Free all Oromo political prisoners. Stop killing innocent Oromo students.
Oromo students.
Stop killing arresting torturing innocent Oromos. Killing Oromos will never stop Oromo struggle. Killing Oromos will never stop Oromo struggle. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. Norway stop supporting Ethiopian dictator regime. Norway stop a killer.
Ethiopian regime
Stop
killing
Oromo
students.
Ethiopian regime
Stop
killing
Oromo
students.
TPLF stop arresting murdering massacre Oromo students. TPLF stop
Killing innocent Oromo people. TPLF stop killing Oromo students. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. Stop killing our future. TPLF stop killing our future. TPLF stop killing our future. Ethiopian regime stop killing our future. future. Our future. Ethiopian regime. Ethiopian regime. Stop. Stop. Murdering. Murdering. Arresting. Arresting. Massacre. Massacre. Ethiopia Oromo students. Oromo students. TPLF. TPLF. Stop. Stop. Killing. Killing. Arresting. Arresting. Murdering. Murdering. Oromo students. Oromo students. Oromia is not for sale.
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 Respect human right in Oromia.
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 Killing Oromos.
Killing Oromos.
Killing Oromos.
Killing Oromos.
Will never.
Will never
Stop.
stop
Oromo.
Oromo
Struggle.
struggle.
Killing Oromos.
Oromos
Will never.
will never
Stop.
stop
Oromo.
Oromo
Struggle.
struggle.
Respect.
Human
Human rights.
rights
In Oromia.
in Oromia.
Respect.
Respect.
Human rights.
rights
In Oromia.
in Oromia.
Oromia is not for sale.
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 TPLF.
TPLF
Stop.
Stop.
Murdering.
Murdering.
Arresting.
Arresting.
Innocent.
Innocent.
Oromo.
Students.
TPLF.
TPLF
Stop.
Stop.
Killing. Imprisoning.
Imprisoning.
Oromo.
Students.
TPLF.
Stop.
Land grabbing.
Land grabbing.
From farmers.
From farmers.
TPLF.
Stop.
Murdering. Arresting. Killing. Innocent. Oromo. People.
Gaafiin barattoota Oromoo. Gaafiin barattoota Oromoo. Gaaffii keenya. Gaaffii keenya. Mirga keenya. Mirga keenya. Gaaffii karaa nagaa. Gaaffii karaa nagaa. Falmachuuf. Falmachuuf. Booddeetti hin jennu. Booddeetti hin jennu. Du'a hin sodaannu. TPLF. Respect. Human rights. Human rights. In Oromia. In Oromia. TPLF. Stop. Terrorizing. Oromos. People. We Oromo. Demand. Freedom. And democracy. Stop. Killing. Oromo. Students. Stop. Killing. Oromo. Students. We need justice. We need freedom. We need peace. We need democracy. We need justice.
Free.
Bekkele Garba.
Free.
Olbana Lelisa.
Urayun kan Kenya.
Sabatan kan Kenya.
Sabatan kan Kenya.
Olatan kan Kenya.
Olatan kan Kenya.
Sabatan kan Kenya.
Sabatan kan Kenya.
Lutan kan Kenya.
Olatan kan Kenya. Gaafiin barataa Oromoo.
Gaaffii Kenya.
Gaaffii Oromiyaan Kenya.
Irratti guddanne.
Irratti dhalanne.
Irratti
horre. Irratti baranne.
Lafa keenya eessa deemna?
Lafa keenya eessa deemna?
Lafni keenya hin gurguramu.
Lafti keenya hin gurguramu.
Qotee bulaan lafa isaatirraa buqqa'uu hin qabu.
Qotee bulaan lafa isaarraa buqqa'uu hin qabu.
Gaaffiin barattoota gaaffii uummata Oromooti.
Gaafiin barattoota gaaffii uummata Oromooti.
Gaaffiin barataa Oromoo haa deebi'u.
Gaafiin barataa Oromoo haa deebi'u.
Oromoon sodaachadhaan buluu hin qabu.
Oromoon sodaadhaan buluu hin qabu.
Oromoon mana hidhaa keessatti ukkaamfamuun hin qabu.
Oromoon TPLF stop killing
Murdering. Torturing. Innocent.
Oromos. Innocent.
Oromos.
TPLF
Stop.
terrorizing
Innocent. Oromos. TPLF is a killer. TPLF is a murderer. TPLF. Stop. Killing. Arresting. Torturing. Innocent. Oromos. TPLF. Stop. Land grabbing. In Oromia.
TPLF
Stop.
terrorizing
Shall be
free.
Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. TPLF stop killing our future. TPLF stop killing our future. Ethiopian regime stop killing Oromo students. TPLF murdering, imprisoning, Oromo people. Ethiopia regime, stop killing our future. Ethiopia regime, stop killing our people. Norway, EU, UK, USA, stop supporting dictatorship in Ethiopia. UK, AU, Norway, stop supporting dictator regime in Ethiopia. Norway, stop supporting dictator regime in Ethiopia. Norway, UK, AU, USA, listen to us. USA, UK, Norway, stop supporting dictatorial regime in Ethiopia.
We need freedom.
We need justice.
Oromia shall be free.
Oromiyaan kan Oromiyaati.
Finfinneen handhuura Oromiyaati.
Gaaffiin barattootaa gaaffii uummataati.
Gaaffiin barattootaa gaaffii uummataati.
Gaaffiin barattootaa rasaasaan hin ta'u.
Gaaffiin barattootaa rasaasaan hin deebi'u.
Oromiyaan kan Oromiyaati.
Oromiyaan kan Oromooti.
Eenyuyyuurraa nu gaaffiin barattootaa.
Gaaffiin barattootaa
Rasaasaan deebi'uu hin qabu.
rasaasaan deebi'uu hin qabu.
Gaaffiin barattootaa.
Gaaffiin barattootaa
Gaaffii uummataati.
gaaffii uummataa.
Killing Oromos, murdering Oromos, never stop.
Oromo struggle for freedom.
Norway, stop
supporting the dictator regime of Ethiopia. Norway, listen us. Norway, listen us. Norway, listen us. Stop supporting the dictator regime in Ethiopia. Oromo farmers have right on their land. Oromo farmers have right on their land. Stop land grabbing in Oromia. Stop land grabbing in Oromia. Justice and the freedom for Oromos. Justice and the freedom for Oromos. A bullet should not be an answer for peaceful struggle. A bullet should not be an answer for a peaceful struggle. Listen us. USA, listen us. Stop supporting the dictator, the killer, the murderer, regime of Ethiopia. Stop supporting the killer, the murderer. Regime of Ethiopia. Killing Oromos. Arresting Oromos. Murdering Oromos. Never stop. Oromo struggle for freedom. Respect human rights in Oromia.
First of all, I'm Oromo Community in Tingvoll, member and the secretary of Oromo Community in Tingvoll. Dear sir, Oromo community in Tingvoll, Norway Oromo Sudan, demonstrating to bring in the attention of Norwegian government what is going on in Ethiopia. Oromo community in Tingvoll outraged with Ethiopian government ongoing reckless attack on the Oromo students that are peacefully demonstrating against irresponsible expansion of Addis Ababa for the sole purpose of land grabbing. Oromo students at various universities in the high schools across Oromia, Ethiopia have been staging non-violent demonstrating against the master plan that is set to expand Addis Ababa into the surrounding Oromia region. The students were concerned by the fact that the so-called master plan will inevitably displace millions of Oromo farmers and destroy many communities in their livelihood. The plans has been facing opposition by many Oromo communities across the globe because it breaches constitutional right of people of Oromia. Currently, there are rallies being held all over the world. Information about the current situation of the country can be obtained from community-based media outlets such as www.iyantu.com www.gada.com, www.bilisumma.com, and the www.fifinepostblogspot.no, as well as BBC News and the other international media. Oromo people have been a victim of long years of continuous land-grabbing policies of Ethiopian government, where millions lost their land to rich from China, India, Arabs without proper compensation. Our people back home are already suffering from economic and the social impact of the poor policies of governments that give the priority to the foreigners for its own people. We also feel such impact directly or indirectly has the high duty of speaking for those voiceless victims. The Oromo people, its political organization, civic organization, and the journalists have been the prime target of Ethiopian dictatorial regime in the cover of name of fighting terrorism. The Oromo people saw the single largest ethnic group in the country has been deliberately and systematically marginalized and made powerless so that they can be easily targeted whenever they demand their rights. The recent crackdown is not the first time our young brothers, sisters, and the children are massacred, tortured, jailed, and disappeared. Many university students in the lectures, many high school students and the teachers, and the many business persons have been disappeared or have been in jail for many years without justice. Many of them dying from inhuman treatment, torture, attacks, and the humiliation from deliberate deprival of medical treatment. The Oromo people have been continually seeking their rights being respected, but the Ethiopian government response is a cruel even for young children and the students. This time, victims were students who just gathered to air their concern of Addis Ababa expansion plan. They were not violent and they were not armed, yet they were violently and brutally crushed notorious assassin squad well trained and equipped for such purpose. For the last 3 weeks until now, a merciless killer crew has been dispatched to university campuses in Ambo, Adama, Robe, Walaga, Jimma, Aromaya, Dredawa, Matu, Fifine, or Addis Ababa in the Madda Walabu to kill the rightful and the peacefully rallying Oromo students. We have been credible sources that indicating more than 80 innocent Oromo individuals, university and the high school student, including a 12-year-old boy, were the victim of such brutality perpetuated by Ethiopian killing machinery. This inhuman group in power in Ethiopia even do not care rolling salt into Oromo's wounds. However, a witness told the BBC that the security force were killed 47 in one day only in Ambo. The same thing has been going on in various towns and the village in Oromia. The international community has been ignoring the cry of our people for long, but now it is at the stage they no more ignore it. There were many reports on the misuse of development aid and the support being for military builds up for crackdown civilians. Human rights group reported this. Civic society and international NGO have been given deep ear. This time, the situation is now exceptionally dire. We fear it could escalate and contribute to the already fragile the security of that region. The Oromo are saying enough is enough. It is going to be led to international community to deal with the fragile political, human, and the security issue in Ethiopia. The Ethiopian Empire has been depriving Oromo of the natural rights, human rights, but it is impossible to control them anymore. It is a matter of time before the said time is out of control of the Ethiopian rulers. The tolerance of the people should not be taken for arrogance. There are many
there are more than enough incidents in the recording confirming the Ethiopian authority violation of international human rights law and the committed crime against humanity. The Ethiopian ruling elites are most likely will continue their wild acts. They will continue their wild act, killing, torturing, forcing millions to flee their homes to end up in refugee camps in neighboring countries. Unless your government in coordination with other similar bodies exerts ultimate push on the Ethiopian government. To stop committing such crimes. We understand that the Norwegian government and the Ethiopian government have a good relations. According to the witness told to VOA Afan Oromo or VOA by Oromo language in the VOA Amharic on Friday, 30th of May 2014, that security forces are continually beating, killing, disappearing and arresting many Oromo students in the civilian in Wallagga, Nakamte town, in the through Oromia. They could not go out to get anything they want. If they have been seen out, they will be beaten and taken to the jail without any reason. The situation in Oromia region getting worse in the worst from day to day. We appeal your government to stand up for our people and send warning to dictatorial regime in Ethiopia to stop killing our children. We call on your office to listen to the cries of Oromo people in the restore justice and the peace to their village. The fact that the Oromo people are peacefully tolerant and the patient should not be taken for wrong. We appeal that those people who murdered our children and those who lead in the order the crime be investigated and charging them for crimes they committed. We ask your good office in the government to tell the Ethiopian authority that halt the implementation of so-called controversial master plan. We hope that you will understand our situation at home in the address to your government. Your sincerely Oromo community in Tingvoll, More Oromo Sudan. Thank you for listening.
Ja, tusen tack att du hörde oss. Vi har den brev som han läste upp. Vi ska leverera. Varsågod.
Tackar.
Ja. Ja.
Ja. Är det in English or?
Det var bra. Sam du vill snacka norska.
Ja, det är bra. Hej, allesammans. Tusen takk for mye god informasjon om råfolket. Jeg tror det er viktig, selv om vi er en kommune på Tingvoll, Nordmøre, Møre og Romsdal, så er det viktig at vi får innbyggere både i Tingvoll og i mange kommuner rundt i hele Møre og Romsdal som har representanter fra råfolket. Så vi får viktig informasjon om hvordan menneskerettigheter blir i Etiopia. Det tror jeg er viktig for oss å vite om. Så det bidrar de med en viktig informasjon om hvordan deres forhold er. Så det er viktig informasjon for oss. Så vi skal ta med det budskapet, og vi har jo en stemme, en voice, inni her, men at vi skal appellere til myndigheten om at menneskerettighetene skal holdes, og at ingen kulturer eller folkeslag, Oromo-folket, skal bli lidende av det. Så vi vil ta med oss det signalet fra dere her. Ja.
Ja, Oromo sababana hunda beekaa hundaa wajjin jiraatta kiyya sirraa dhalachuun kiyya waa baay'ee na barsiiseera. Ajjeefamaa reebamaa dheebamaa inuma bal'atta. Diina meeshaa waraanaa hammayyaatiin garaagarummaa lafa gargaaramuun lafa qabatus oromummaa kee balleessuu hin dandeenye. Kumaatamaan si ajjeesus miloonotaan baay'ataa deemta. Ammaan booda garuu diinni akka durii balbala sitti cufee si balleessuu xaarus danda'ee si mo'atu. Nuti horteen kee qooqa siif taanee dhaabbachuu bakka jirru hunda kaanirra imimmaan kee kan yeroo dheeraa boosse si goguuf dhiyaateera Oromiyaan ni bilisoomti.
farda jaarsaati sagoojen oolani darbattee jinfuu qabiin itannaan hin gaabbani diinattiin biyyaa baasuu farda garmaamsee kaase abaabileen eeggatee daangaa kaakayyuuf laate abbaan eegalmaa laate ilmi seenaa dagate imaana abbaan nyaadhu eenyummaa koon daagadhu du'ee tambada malee biyya koormaan laadhu eenyuttan ba'ee badaa sanyii onneen barbada harka dhiigaana nyaadha maal abbaa koon gammada maala nyaadhee gabbadha maalan taa'ee taphadha tullumaa muuxatanii ilma dhalchuu yoomifi tu'anii isin galanii ilma qabnaa kanaafi ajjeese adibatuufi booree abaafatu dhiira garaa yammaate haadha dhiiraa tiyyate imimmaan lakkuu hate dhiigattan borra yaa'e rasaasaawwan akkaa'e hunduu biyyaaf falmata wareegame kaarubbuun siras duran oolanii waliif yoo birmatanii harkan kenneen kaabulma amashaan sirraa firba Danga darbe banda chilama fanarge gerro kana dina danga darbe banda chilama fanarge kay oromo kana oromia jirani abashato mugurani kay oromo kana oromia jirani abashato mugurani abe Rabbi guddaanu gargaare kana gaarraa geenye jaarraa dhibbaaf kan dandeenye kana mana maangeenye abbaan farda soore beekutu farda soora beekulloo koo gannaa baasa na gobbisa oola kayi qeerroon kana maaliif daangaa darbe bandaa ciilamma fanarge qeerroon kana diina daangaa darbe bandaa ciilamma fanarge Nabade duratu denjedi kutatu madabinandale ni onata jale adisa ke muradu injarjari numadu dan sore farda ko sirana fudu ako milole jale atirafta jale loni kutate kae undu takotae are garani amsa gotota isa duri sanagae are loni danne sakale falmate kararratti baye are lamni rana muskale ragaran dagatu are garani senar mamurati jalan ko kaniyatu are lamni mana makenya oromo malim dagatu are garani menelik farfati godaanee